Hi guys, right, so let's try starting the RX-8 today. I've charged a battery and worst case we'll have to tow start it. Let's see how it goes. It's not going to be fun, is it? No. One thing I did notice when I took the battery out is that the positive terminal, which is a common thing on RX-8s for some reason if they've had the battery changed over time. I don't know if it's because they've changed the design of the batteries or anything like that, is that the positive terminal is loose. So obviously the terminals are tapered, as you can see, but what it means is that these sort of slide up and ride up over time, and I don't know if you can tell, but that's about as tight as it will go on there already. So when I tried to take the battery out yesterday, the terminal was just flapping around, so that may well account for a large majority of why current wasn't getting to the starter. I have checked the battery grounding. So there's a cable that comes off of here which goes down and attaches to the cross member sitting under the battery and the airbox, and that doesn't look too bad. There's not much corrosion or anything like that, so can't see any reason why it shouldn't. Failing that, we're going to have to replace the starter or tow start it, but hopefully battery's charged and we should be alright. So let's jump in and see. So battery's in, not in gear, always check that. Clutch in, wait for all the pre-checky lighty things to do. And the fuel's a couple of years old, so that's probably not going to help, but I think it'd be quicker to turn it over by hand. So, lob the battery from Frank in here and see what happens. Here we are again. New battery. Pre-flight checks. I mean, it's spinning faster, but not really very fast, if I'm honest. It's not even registering on the clocks. Let's pick you up and take you in for a little bit of a closer view there, if you watch. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna have to bust out the big guns! That big blue A6y shaped thing over there. Let's get some speed. Right, so tow starting it didn't work. You may notice that I'm now facing the other way. The pond's over there. Yeah, it was really odd. Tow started it about 15 mile an hour, dumped the clutch in second gear, got the engine turning over. But every time I went to dip the clutch, it wouldn't settle back to idle, it'd just go straight down and off. Now, two schools of thought. One, it could be the old fuel. It's very low on fuel anyway. So it could be the old fuel, could be a knackered fuel pump, could be fouled spark plugs from sitting for ages, could be the starter, but then obviously it should go. Could be compression, but again, 4,000 miles ago it had high sixes, low sevens, so unless there's like a dramatic seal failure, I'd be surprised. Back to the drawing board then, really. Answers on a postcard if anybody's got any thoughts. But we will get it started eventually. Somehow. Somehow. Cheers then! Right, I'm determined to get this bugger started. Come on, you can do it. I kind of want you to do it by yourself without a tow start as well, because I know you can. Come on, even the fuel light's gone off. Oh, come on. There's a big poof of oil smoke too. You really want to go. I know you do. Smelly. Come on. Ah. I thought we had it then. I thought we had it. Now I need to let the starter motor cool down. Otherwise rain will stop play. And when I say rain, I mean rain of sparks. Come on. One more time. One more time. One more time. Come on! Captain's log, stardate, too bloody long. I've been trying so many times, I've lost count. Let's have a go. Come on, please. I know you want to do this. Come on. I so know you want to start. You really want to start. And you're covering the whole driveway in oily smoke. That's how close you are to starting. Come on, you can do this. I believe in you. I believe. I believe. It's not looking good. Come on. Big cough of oil again. It is so close. It's frustrating. So close. I've been videoing every single start, just in case. Just in case. Look at the smokiness. Don't know if you can see it. Wisps. Come on. Ah! Soon I'm going to have to charge the battery, but come on. I can feel it. I can feel it. Come on. Ah, again. Oily. Woo! Come on! Ah! We're getting so close now, so close. I'm wondering if the TPS issue is what's stopping me from being able to keep it alive on the throttle. If I didn't know any better, I'd say that battery's getting a bit tired. Another big cloud of shite. That's sounding better! Ha-ha! Yes! She lives! Oh! So much oil smoke! Oh! I'm a happy bunny! So happy! Ah! We did it! Yes!
So it's been running, it's got up to temperature. I've just packed it up somewhere different. Look, it was over there where the fuel cans are. We've moved under our own steam. So let's see if it'll start hot, because this could be fun. Until the compression tester turns up, this is all I've got to go on. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll take that.